Hello, today I'm going to talk about the types of fractions. The first type of fraction I'm going to talk about is proper fractions. Proper fractions is when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. For example, 1 by 4. The numerator 1 is smaller than the denominator 4. So, it's a proper fraction. Now I'm going to talk about improper fractions. Improper fractions is just like proper fractions, but it's the reverse. It's that the numerator has to be bigger than the denominator. For example, 4 by 1. Here 4 is the numerator and 1 is the denominator. As 4 is bigger than 1, it is equal to numerator bigger than denominator, which is an improper fraction. Now let's move on. I'm going to talk about like fractions. Like fractions are a group of fractions who share the same denominator. I'm going to share an example. These are fractions which are like fractions. 21 by 24 and 13 by 24. They share the same denominator, which is 24, and their numerator doesn't have to be the same. Now, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions is the almost like a like fraction, but the only change is that the denominators have to be different. For example, 16 by 23 and 13 by 38. The denominators are different, which is 23 and 38. Now I'm going to talk about mixed fractions. Mixed fractions is not a normal fraction, but it's a fraction which consists of a natural number and a other normal fraction beside it, like 3 4 by 35. Here 3 means 3 wholes, and you know what 4 by 35 means. It's a proper fraction. Mixed fraction is actually another representation of an improper fraction. Thank you. Suggest more topics at silverkeysforyou@gmail.com.